told me to he is not a pupil, he is a man. What about you? You are a pupil or a man?
Yes, I am human. Man. Women.
You are the loading screen is very lengthy. What about you?
Sir, I'm side of you because
Yeah.
you are making a joke. I think there are very many people, and he is not unable to understand what are doing here.
If I ask you same question,
Huh.
what you think about the civic sense of India?
Is this a cheat code? I think it is. Because you don't want to speak in this, you want me to speak, and you don't want you to speak. Yeah? Assalamu alaikum, namaste, namaskar, sansriyakal. We are watching Speed Speaker News channel, and I am here with the greatest news ever in this channel. You are watching right now. There is a lot of people. Come here. We will talk about the people. What are people doing in this Indian country, and we are also talk about what is the current affairs, what is going on in India also. So, firstly, there is making their hair and escaping from me. But I will not let him go because I am Waris Nawaz and he is Faiz. Yes, Mr. Faiz, you have something to tell in this camera. What's the content? The content is you. The content is pupil. You are not doing such a civic sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is.
That's the problem of people. Why I am?
You are not a pupil.
I'm not a people. I'm a man.
He is a man. I think he is a pupil. That's my mistake. There is one also pupil. Hello, pupil. Are you okay?
अबे साले
Everything's okay with you?
Yes.
Anything wrong?
No, nothing.
So tell me, what about the content I have told you before some time with Faz? He told me he is not a pupil, he is a man. What about you? You are a pupil or a man?
Yes, I am human. Man. Women.
You are the loading screen is very lengthy. Forget about him. Yes, what about you?
Sir, I'm side of you because
Yeah.
you are making a joke. I think there are very many people, and he is not unable to understand what are doing here.
Yeah. Wow. Mr. Sudhanshu, you have such a great mind, such a great philosophy, such a great mindset. I can say you will become something in your life because you are Sudhanshu. Yeah, Mr. Mudassir.
Yes.
This thing can be the shortest news ever, but it will be the biggest news ever also. Yes, Mr. Mudassir, because of Mr. Mudassir. Yeah. Tell about something in this mic. The mic you can see in this camera. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my God. Yes. Very good news. Tell me, Amay, why you are not saying something? Yeah.
What should I say?
So, Mr. Audience, you will think how we get here because of some shortcut. You will not understand. This is editing of the video. Yes, Mr. Faiz, what are you talking about this? Now.
If I ask you same question, what you think about the civic sense of India?
Is this a cheat code? I think it is. Because you don't want to speak in this, you want me to speak, and you don't want you to speak. Yeah, that's right.
Firstly, I'm asking you as a.
No, that's not a good civic sense.
शाबाश बेटा
Here we get cast one bad civic sense. I am asking him, and he is also asking me. Is this a manner? Firstly, give me the answer.
Ask me question.
My question is why in this India is so becoming very bad civic country?
Because a lot of person don't have idea how to walk on the road,
Yeah.
how to speak, how to talk.
Yeah.
So that is why.
The majority of people wants this country to be like that. So this country is it like that? That's all. That is the main thing. Majority people wants Hindu Muslim. Majority people want Jati Dharmavad. Do you know Miss Umulira?
Yes, sir.
Everything is not fine
Yeah,
in this country. So
is.
what do you think about the clothing? of this country?
It is not good,
It is not good.
but it is also good.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Because there is a two part.
Yeah.
If you will found the bad, so you will found bad. If you will found good, so you will found.
If you will found bad, so you will found bad. If you will found good, so you will found good.
Yes, why not?
Wow. Write it right now in the comment. If you will understand, please explain me also. Like Sudhanshu, you told in a previous talk very little bit of. Can you speak much in this talk?
No, because if you want to any question
Yeah.
for me, so you can ask me.
So my question, let you hear my question, okay? So my question, school is good.
Yes, why not? For every
School system is good in India.
in India,
Hmm.
school system is good, but if government if government
No.
if government wants, so our schooling system government can change in growing. Yes,
It can possible.
it's possible, but I can't see because it's government issues, and so that's
Yeah.
How about you?
Everything fine.
So let me explain what is going on in India. This is my request to you. Firstly, hear my request. Don't become Hindu. Don't become Muslim. Don't become Shudra. Don't become Brahman. Don't become Isai, and don't become also. और एक और भी तो धर्म है, Buddhist. Become a human firstly, because majority of people in India wants nothing. Majority of people wants nothing. See, this is the majority of people of India. Apart from some of the people, this is the majority of people, and they wants nothing but a fight, but riots, but something that they can entertain themselves. This is entertainment for them. So that's all for this news channel. I think this is okay. Please subscribe and like this video also.